Hey everyone, welcome to the video. And in this video, we are going to see about the technical writing stuff and how you can start your career in tech writing, or how you can get started with technical writing as a beginner. Technical writing is not about just writing. People think that you have to write something and you will grow, or you can just apply for technical writing roles. So it's not work in that way. You have to understand first what you're going to write. And people also believe that in technical writing, you have to it's okay to don't have technical knowledge, but it's not the right thing. As a technical writer, you have technical knowledge to get into, or if you're writing any technical blog, like how to deploy React application on Netlify or any cloud services. So first you have to know about what is React and how it works, and then uh, the deployment process, and then in a cloud service platform. So you have that knowledge in your mind. So it's not the right thing that you are a technical writer. So it doesn't mean that you don't have, it's okay to don't have technical knowledge. It's completely wrong. You have the technical knowledge. You have at least two languages. Basically you have to know in a good, as a intermediate level, I say. And, like JavaScript, Python, or pick any two, uh, which you prefer. uh, that's two thing. Another thing is key technical writing. uh, it's it's easy to become a writer. It's easy to write blogs or share. You have to research, you have to find out, you have to add value to it. But execution is the main area. And to at the end, to become a successful technical writer, it's not easy for everyone, or it's not possible for everyone, because most of the people yeah, don't identify, don't go in the right approach. They just write or just share the random things, which is completely wrong. If you're going to in a career which you love, so you have to know everything about that. Try to connect with other folks which they are doing good in community. Try to reach out them, try to ask good questions to them. uh, Write. If you want to become a good technical writer, so you have to write first. You have to learn how you can write complex things, how you can take down that complexity in a simple manner that every can relate to it or understood betterly. So they can also implement those things in a uh, particular manner under their local environment, right? If you're writing a particular article, just Python loops, or loops in JavaScript, or something like that. So first you have to understood or research what is loops, then the outline of the article, then any practical examples, which is which is highly important to add. And that's how a complete article works. That's how people can actually get something out of it. uh, that's the right approach to learn technical writing. Connect with other people. And when I started writing, I started to connect with Pramit. He's a content developer. I started there as a content writer contributor at Aviyel. So I connect with Pramit. I learn so many things from him. I ask him the resources, the opportunities, and then I explored variety of things. And right now, as a community manager at Aviyel, I work as a community manager at Aviyel. And a second person which I connected is Cynthia Peter. She's a Devrel as at Saint. So she's a great technical writing skills. Yeah, I love to write her blogs on Hashnode. If you don't know, so I'm giving a link in the description, so you can go and check it out. Just try to read her blogs. It's completely amazing how she break down the complex thing in a simple words, and the way you understand the way you read. It's completely amazing. So thanks, Cynthia, for sharing your knowledge and insights. There are also like amazing folks who are doing great with with their content. So try to connect with them, try to reach out to them, and yeah, that's the right approach. Another thing which I want to share, where you can start, just pick any particular platform. There are multiple platforms to start with technical writing, but I'm saying the technical writing, not a content writing. There are two different things. It's people basically understand not understand that the technical writing, content writing are similar. There are two different things: technical writing and technical documentations. The documentation engineer is a complete another thing as any content writer. So you have to understand the technical stuff as well. So pick any platform. There are multiple platforms available on the internet. Dev to Hashnode, Medium, uh, on Ghost is also there, or you can write articles on Notions, using Notion, but that's not the right approach if you are jumping into technical writing. So try to get into any technical platform, which I suggest. Dev community, Dev 2, or any or Hashnode blogs. There are these tools are very uh, have a very good, great community supports. If you are a beginner and want to jump into technical writing, so just start with these two platforms or pick any. I would suggest to go with anyone. I started my articles on Dev community, then I shift to Hashnode because Hashnode providing a great SEO, great customizations. You can customize your own profile by the CSS classes. So that's the great thing about that platform. SEO works well as well. That's two things. And how you can start finding uh, opportunities. So if you're a tech writer and just you begin, so try to write at least 1 month, at least 15 to 10 articles with a good research, with a good content. Try to add something value to it, and try to research more. As a technical writer, you have to identify the different aspect of a particular product or particular uh, thing which you're going to write. uh, so research is a very highly important in a technical writing. So try to research first. Second, uh, just try to understand in a user manner and the end user. If you are an end user and just read your article again and just find out any complex statement or any things which you add to it, and you think that it's not works well or for end user, so try to replace or try to modify it in a simple manner. Try to break in a simple manner that statement or that para, you can say. And just that two things. And then how to find opportunities, just write 10 to 15 articles on any platform. Try to involve in communities. Tech writing communities are available on Twitter as well, on Discord. I would suggest go with the Discord and take Twitter as well, because most of the people are available in both Discord, Twitter. So try to share your articles with them. Try to ask for feedback. uh, Also ask them if there any modification or anything they can add. Be great. Try to get in touch with them. Ask good questions to them. And that's how it works. And once you wrote some articles on the, the platform and you start sharing with other people, so people try to get taking interest in you. They actually read. So if your content actually great, so people definitely reach out to you if they have any opportunity. And if opportunity not comes to you, so you have to reach out to them, how to reach out to opportunities and how you can start. There are multiple GitHub repositories are available. On my own GitHub account, I created a repository which helps you to find opportunities in a technical writing area, where you can start working for companies or open source communities or open source projects. Try to contribute in a non-code area, which helps a lot to your portfolio. Try to build fold try to build portfolio as well as a technical writer. That's the amazing thing you can do, because anyone reach out to you, and if they ask you for a resume, most of the people don't care about resume, because they don't want to get the more information about you. So try to create portfolio. There are multiple non-code platforms which helps you to create a portfolio. Portfolio builder is also there to uh, build portfolio. So use that non-code platforms to build your portfolio, and just figure out the different opportunities. If Then try to understand what works for you. Hashnode is also providing a Web3 blog town hall, which pays you very well good amount to writing a Web3 articles for them. Then again, CSS Tricks, that platform which also provide you a good amount of money to write article from them. Gigs for Gigs internship, Code Dam internship for writers, and uh, yeah, there are like multiple opportunities are available in outside world. Just try to search, and just you can start with it. If you're a student, so try to understand the basic foundation of technical writing, fundamentals of technical writing, which helps you a lot. If you're a programmer, so I suggest try to learn two things. One is coding, be priority, and second is the technical writing. uh, that's two things. That's completely amazing combinations of coding and plus technical writing. If you learn those two things, then you can fit for everywhere, for any work or any startup. So try to learn those things as well. And also, what important to technical writing, that's the pretty things which I shared with you all. And if I miss something, so you definitely add to video in the description section. So that's two things. uh, that's things which I want to share with you all. And or anything in mind. Yeah, try to invest, not in stocks and anything. Just try to invest in yourself, your skills. If you have don't laptop or anything, so just get some that stuff, or any small computer system, so you can work more. And any gadgets which helps you to for your productivity or anything, so try to invest. It helps a lot. Maybe in starting you will think that it's not worth, or you will face difficulty to get that gadgets in your bucket, but it helps a lot. You don't need any, like, you don't need MacBook to code or to write a great articles. Simply you can pick any, say, normal lapis, and you can work for them. So no need to any high level gadgets, but if you think that particular gadget will definitely help you to try to get that. And first, uh, make some money out of it. So, and also don't work for money. Just don't try to get money. Try to get value from people. Try to get honest feedback from the people you are working for them. And try to get real experience. Try to learn from other. Try to read other people articles, so you will get a basic idea what actually going on in your field in technical writing. So that's the pretty things which I want to share. And yeah, that's the right approach which I believe. I started with technical writing, and now right now I'm in a technical writing field more than a year. So you can get my all articles on day one Ashnode, uh, both platform. So, and I also work for 3 to 4 different companies as a technical writer, as a content writer as well, and my blogs are featured on different platforms like Stack Codify, uh, Tolji. I contributed to open source at non-code side. I created a roadmap, dog guides, and the other stuff as well. So you can find out all my things on my LinkedIn profile or my GitHub. So you can check out there and just try to involve in community, try to get try to get actual value, or try to get knowledge, try to learn from other people. That's the right approach you can apply. Thank you. That's the pretty much thing which I want to share. Bye.